Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we'll need to turn off our device, and we can do so by just holding power button and volume up at the same time, and then we're going to swipe down in order to turn off our device. Now, truth be told, I don't remember which one of the combinations it is here, so I'm going to start off with the power button and volume up and hope that this is the button right here. But I think I remember that it isn't, so it's most likely going to be volume down, but I do want to make sure. Just let go of the power button when the logo shows up, and come on. Yep, so it's volume down. So I was expecting it correctly and started off with the wrong one. Let's just give it a moment. Now, as you've seen me do, you do want to let go of the power button when the logo shows up on the screen. There we go. Now, if you hold it for a little bit too long, this will actually reboot the device. So if it disappears when you're still holding volume down, continue holding it till it shows up again and then let go. Now here you can see we have our language selection page, and there is one visible. Let me just adjust the brightness of the camera so you can maybe see this a little bit better. I apologize for the overblown white background, but there is no way I can do this in a different way. So you can see we have a couple languages. I'm going to choose English right here, and once you do, you have again a couple options right here. So we have format data, just a factory reset of the device, reboot and power off, two methods of leaving this mode. So I want to point out one last thing. Under the format data, when you click on it, it is only protected by this randomly generated code. So as long as you type that in, you can reset your device. Anyway, I'm going to now select reboot the device and confirm by selecting OK. And this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.